Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a post on Adobe Photoshop and then post to Instagram on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the software Adobe Photoshop, an account for Instagram, and the Mac computer itself. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, open up Adobe Photoshop, wait for that to load. Now let's click on Create New on the left hand side navigation menu. Change the name to IG Post. Let's now change the resolution from whatever we have it set as to 2000 by 2000 pixels. You'll see why I'm doing that in a moment. Click on OK. And now we have a square project to work with. As we know, Instagram is great when it comes to uploading photos with a resolution of 2000 by 2000, a square image. So let's now work on the image itself. We can now minimize Photoshop for the moment. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari. Let's just go to my Twitter page. Let's now Command-Shift-3 to take a screenshot of what we have. Quit Safari. As you can see, the screenshot is not on the desktop. Go all the way down to the dock. Again, go back to Photoshop. Take the screenshot, drag and drop onto what we are working with. Increase the size of the project itself. Let's align this within the center of the page. That's done. And so this post itself will be to let the users, the fans, the clients, the customers know that you can also follow me on my Twitter. So let's now insert a background. Change the color to, or let's keep it the way it is. And we can right click on the rectangle, blending options, opacity, 50% should be okay. And now if we take the image itself of the rectangle, replace that with the first layer we have, and now you'll see why I've done this in a moment. Take this to the corner, drag all the way to the bottom, to the right. Now, if we're still unhappy with the color, we can go back to rectangle 1, blending options after we right click, and then we can make some other changes. But if that's not the case, that's not something you require, go back to the rectangle itself. We can change the color. Let's change to red or black. However, this will be with opacity of 50%. So that's okay. And now we need some text. Click on T for text. Now we can say follow computer science videos on Twitter. After we Command A to highlight. Let's just highlight and change the color to black on white. Let's now change the font size to 48 for the moment. and then we can readjust at the end. Follow Computer Science Videos on Twitter. Double click, adjust the size of the text box. Change from Apple symbols to another font. We can change again. Click on the size of the text, highlight. Let's just change to 50. That should increase the size of that itself. Text is in the middle. Bring back the background and the image itself. Right click, blending options on the text, outer glow. That's okay. If we're still unhappy, we can Command Z to revert back to normal. Bring another rectangle tool. Let's change the color to red. Or let's change to black. That's okay. We may want to insert our logo on the post. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go to my YouTube channel. I see my logo is within the folder. Click on the logo, drag and drop onto your project, file. Let's now decrease the size of the logo itself. Move this to the corner of the screen. Increase and decrease. Click on the logo itself, right click, blending options, outer glow. Decrease the size to 10. We may also wish to bring in more text that says Computer Science Videos. Highlight, delete Computer Science Videos. Close the eyes of all layers for the moment. Increase the text box size so we can then re-edit the text box itself in accordance to what we require, and move this to the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, Command S to save. We can do that later. Let's just bring everything back into the frame. Change the watermark to bold. Adjust again, and that's all done. Command S to save. Save on the desktop. And now if we export, file, export, quick export as PNG -8. Save that to the desktop also. Let's just minimize Photoshop for the moment and now we have the image itself that will be used to be uploaded to the Instagram account. Go all the way down to the dock, click on grids, make sure you are signed into the account, go to your account itself, click on account, click on add new post, click on the image, choose photo videos, and there we have igpost.png on the desktop. Click on this, open, and now we can write a caption that says follow computer science videos on Twitter. Click on share, and this is now being uploaded to my Instagram account from my GRIDS account, and there we have the photo itself has been uploaded. Let's just click on the profile, refresh the page a couple of times, quit grids, go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, open up a new tab, go to Instagram, and there we have the new post that was created on Photoshop on a Mac computer and then uploaded to Instagram using the application Grids for Instagram. So we can now quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock again, go to Photoshop, quit Photoshop. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.